Dear students, now let us look at the channel relationships and the dynamics which could be involved in the channel relationships. Let me emphasize that we need to know that there is a list of variables, I would say, that actually create channel relationship. Channel relationship में बहुत ज़्यादा important different variables हो जाते हैं जो कि different organization के लिए differently work करते हैं. जैसे हमने Levi's की example दी, Levi's would always want to create some relational dependency का scenario create करेगा. Agreement की तरफ गया, retailer would be dependent upon that channel member. Why? Because that channel member can actually control the customer base. वो customer उसको as a retailer consider करता है. तो जो retailer उसके साथ work कर रहे हैं, जो franchises हैं independent, these are just like dummy. So they have to come for the tying agreement in order to have that relationship. तो एक strategic assessment है जो कि एक retailer और channel member he actually does it at the start, that whether they have to create that channel relationship or not. So relationships may differ in numerous ways. That is actually uncertain, and it would vary from organization to organization or from different businesses to different businesses. The partial list would include the duration. So what would be the duration of that relationship? Most of the time we would be looking at a long-term relationship. Single transaction relationships are very rare, or I would say it's not that common. Obligations, what need to be done? Now, when you say obligations, the important thing is that channel members actually maximize their utility. When you say, I'm not saying they are maximizing their profits, because when there is a dependency, and most of the time the dependency would be there, in such scenarios it becomes improbable to actually go for profit maximization. आप profit maximize नहीं कर सकते, वहां पर आप अपनी utility satisfaction maximize कर रहे होते हैं. Okay, this is the profit level which I need to achieve, or this is the margin which I need to achieve. वो margin हो सकता है best margin now, but that channel member would actually be satisfied with it. तो वहां पर obligations आपकी क्या है? That obligations could hurt your utility. वो आपकी utility को down कर सकते हैं, और अगर ऐसा हो रहा है तो that channel member would not remain in that channel structure for long time. वो after some time जब disutility ज़्यादा हो जाएगी, he will leave that channel. Expectations, what would you expect? आपका expected profit कितना था? Expected utility I would say here. And what are you actually realizing? जो आपने realize किया क्या वो एक दूसरे के बराबर है, या जो profit आपको अब मिला है that is not satisfying you, it is creating the disutility. Those expectations are important as well. The interaction or communication, cooperation, planning, goal, performance analysis, benefits and burdens. Benefits and burdens, obviously these are like utilities and the disutilities which the channel member is actually gaining. Now let us look at this figure. So the first step is actually to perform strategic assessment. Then the second thing would be a decision node. अगर आप देखें तो ये एक decision node है. Decision node is actually telling you whether to form a relationship or not. Then third one would be to evaluate alternatives. आप हमेशा अपने risk को hedge करते हैं, evaluate alternatives को भी करते हैं. So after that, potential partner capabilities हैं या company needs and priorities are different. तो यहाँ पर आप एक potential partner को अपने identify करते हैं, and then you select a partner. एक और decision node है. And after that, you have the structure operating model, which will actually give you the implementation and continuous improvement. Structure operating model हम पहले भी discuss कर चुके हैं, उन steps को आप देख लीजिएगा, and then वो उसकी implementation और continuous improvement का एक scenario आपके पास मौजूद है. So overall आपके पास एक assessment criteria, strategic assessment criteria है for creating a channel relationship. So there is always a room for improvement in terms of relationships, but when organizations find that such channel structure is good enough for them, they try to have a long-term benefit of that structure. Thank you.